I never made any conscious decisions to bring clothes that I thought were going to have a certain impact or anything like that. I really brought up what I wear in my day-to-day life. And I think I realized very early on, however, that when I walked into breakfast in the morning, people weren't commenting on how red my face was. They were commenting on how lovely my jumper was instead. And I thought, well, this is actually quite a good wee tactic here. Maybe I'll just make sure that I'm always dressing to impress. And so yeah, I do love fashion. I do love clothes and specifically kind of vintage clothing and vintage silhouettes. And so yeah, I think it gave people something to talk about that wasn't how sweaty I looked or how red I looked. So it worked in my favor, I think.
Ba Faic Stephen díadach cho smodaig. Díadach agus bha tín ga cho ma. Aside, channelas sam na chwthinne ddiafor reveer color lene. Choma fova cynne na 1950s Elvis ba díadach kwad adagan. Agus sé rút a hawn ma hau lara rút a ha tín gut. Caimdís.
Háíomh a bhí mar sin bhn an bhesin sa scóil bheit staile a dhealaite aige agus cho fásanta nuair a hesin cruneocha bhí sin go heb ceilt thuil blianana agus haimi sin coní chud déna fiúí fécin déisirs outfit a bhí sé agus 10 out of 10 an coní. Mar sem is méinecha go bí bhóg as a dhé agus a thula daile bh seo so ha mí cuitar fécin ní eile sin.